crazy. And scary. Listening to the radio. I don't want to hear about the Prime Minister. I just want to hear about the storm and what's going on. Jeez. I just want to get home. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ugh, it is scary. There's more cars coming up. On my right hand side, yeah, there's some cars over there on the right. They're stuck, seems like. Yeah, the people are shoveling. They're shoveling out the snow. It's crazy. This is one of the times that I thank God that I bought an SUV. Jeez. Thank God I bought an SUV, and yeah. I just want to get home safe to my daughter. Oh, jeez. I would never be out in this weather, but I had to work. So, yeah. This is nuts. Look at this. And I have my camera, my phone mounted. I'm not going to take it, you know, I'm not going to hold it in my hand or anything. It's just mounted. I passed a good few cars that are actually stuck and they were trying to shovel out. I had a time when it was all just blizzard, crazy blizzard, you know. And now it's not as bad. I can actually see. There's some cars behind me. I can actually see now. Before I couldn't see at all. There was a time where I couldn't see, and I was just driving. I felt being able to see, and I just had my four-way flashers on, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I can see a couple cars behind me, and really the only cars that are going right now are SUV type cars. And that's it. There's lots of this is a bridge that I'm coming to, and there's a lot of cars. There seem to be there's emergency vehicles. Overhead bridge. There's cars behind me, a couple of cars in front. Yeah, it's crazy. This winter has been astronomical. This winter has been unbelievable. Yeah. So right now I'm just driving with my forward flashers on. There's cars right now. I can see there's cars in front of me. We're all kind of sticking to a line. I mean, there's some people that always push ahead, but we're sticking to like a line, kind of, and because there's no plowing. I saw there was plowers out earlier. I mean, just now when I passed, there was plowers on the other side of the highway, but you know, how fast could they work, really? As soon as they plow, it seems to be like it's continuously falling right now, and it's thick and heavy. And now I'm seeing more vehicles now. There was a time where I wasn't seeing any vehicles when I wasn't recording. Yeah, but now there's a few vehicles all around me. And I'm not going to move now it's a lot of vehicles around me. And I think I don't know if I like this. To be honest, I prefer when there's no cars around. Maybe one car in front of me or something. But because just now I braked and it was kind of skidding along, and my ABS brakes came on just now because I was pressing on my brakes. When you press on your brakes, that it's not really good right now. Because like I've been driving for a little while I have snow tires on, but yeah, thank God I have snow tires on, and thank God I'm driving an SUV. Because I saw a lot of cars earlier, and all the cars that you see here, they're all SUVs. You know, and they probably have snow tires on mostly. Yeah. And I saw a couple trucks and stuff, FIC, and there's a truck coming behind me, and I'm like, I just want to get out of the truck's way. I'm just going to give him his way. If he gets close by, I'm just going to get out of his way. I think I'm getting closer to home now. No, I am getting closer to home. There's a truck right behind me, a big truck. I'm gonna try to get out of his way because you have to give them room and let them do their thing. I'm just gonna let him do his thing. There he goes. I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick it up. There's the truck right there. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Cars that are making it. Some that are they obviously would have to have snow tires on with the amount of snow that we have right now. There's cars that are stuck places. It's crazy. This is, and there've been a couple storms. There's been a couple storms that have happened in the last, like for this summer, for this winter, but I haven't been out in it. I haven't been out in it like this. It's the first time that because I'll know beforehand and I will not go places. But this time, for some reason, I didn't expect it to be this bad first thing, and I ended up going to do a job because I went to do because I'm self-employed person, and I had something I had to go do my business. So that's what happened. They got stuck. Hopefully